Rufy, are you enjoying your snack, buddy? You enjoying your snack?
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning.
Why are you still peeing? Magna!
So today, Joe. Good. Wait, are you guys? No. Oh, buddy. Oh my God. What is going on?
Oh, good boy. You gonna miss chomping the people?
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose. Hey, friend.
Of the other side, look how disgusting this water is. Ben! I'm helping!
She's so cute. Good girl, Sam. Stay.
What the hell? What? Stop.
Are you gonna get it? Go again? Oh my God. Oh!
Yeah, that's a snack.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
You cannot get in there.
Just a puppy having the time of his life.
Come on out.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
You're gonna have a peaceful week? So good. Yes.
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
Yeah, typical Monday.
Got this one. She's in there again.
Total cuddle bugs, so they actually get along.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so
That looked better in his head.
Not everywhere can you find a warm and safe sleeping spot like lying with Doggo Right Cat.
She ain't moving.
Hey Kylo, can I tell you something? You know how we have this quarantine? And we've been working.
Baby. Bless you, 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 bless you.
Skincare is what your doggo is passionate about when she does this with the watering machine.
He's staying informed. Yeah, that dog definitely got the deepest clean of her life after this.
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
The parkour cats.
What? What is going on?
What the just happened?
Don't try it. No, Michael.
Not to let your cat pet you.
You and I are so much alike, it's sick.
Oh, how cute is that?
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Can I touch you?
Hang on. Oh!
Hey.
Benji. Hey. Lips just get stuck in my teeth.
Era la torre, como era tipo torre, de diagonal también podía.
Torre por gordo azul.
Please.
Looks like someone is.
Oh my word.
A full-time job, and it's extremely time-consuming, and it's not as easy as it may appear to some people.
Gamma!
I would like to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
¡Ey! ¿Te estás chingando mi...?
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
I can't let you outside.
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh? These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
What are you doing?
Oh, buddy.
Stop hunting me. Why are you?
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
Вы что делаете, собаки? Оскар, это что такое? Он как вообще сюда забрался?
Ma'am.
Who did?
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yeah.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen.
Yeah! Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so?
That's fun, pretty good.
Shalalabosha.
Good boy, Kenneth.
I'm so beautiful.
Sassy.
Oh no!
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
When you really want something, your brain works harder than usual.
Do you know what that is? Mama's not having a cat. It's a baby.
Oh, hello.
Fatso. Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew you're fat ass.
Hey.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this? There you go.
Maybe those were her hands.
Agora você passou dos limites, Chico.
Presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
That dog is genuinely having the best time ever.
Fechou? Oh.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little
presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Official. Oh.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. No.
I can't touch. No touching.
Я с тобой сегодня хотел поговорить о доброте. Ты его случайно вошел? Может быть,
Ellie? What do you think you're doing?
Si te sabes portar bien, nada más pórtate bien.
No puedo.
Sí puedes.
Grandmas have always been the most comfortable place to nap.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Bro didn't lose the game. He
The ones who look the bravest are actually the ones ready to bolt anytime. No joke.
Hi. What are you doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're off.
You won't like this, mate.
Okay.
Stay. Oh, that's not very good, but you can have a treat anyways.
Okay.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Oh, why are you so mean?
Yeah, that's a stance.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Oh no.
Fine. Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
What's that?
To Milo, my other cat, like, oh my god. Oh, what's he say?
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this. Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
Sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
Happy one. You're what? Ryan.
Ah!
Är det det?
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
Got me dying.
What a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about.
Macaroni turns one.
What's that?
Or a fox. Fun.
Oh, hello.
Apparently, being 10 times bigger still means nothing against cat confidence.
I know, it's Grandma. I know. I know. I know, she's coming. He knows your car. I know.
I just got a new wireless mouse. Let's check it out.
This is pretty much life with.
You wanna go outside?
Are you done?
Hey, you!
Shalalabosha!
What are you doing?
Ripsy, don't you like being brushed?
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad.
Cats will always find the smallest space possible and call it home.
검거할 수 있었습니다. 검거 당시에 압수된 마약만 무려 49억 상당의 공범만.
Well, it's me dinner time. It's me dinner time.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Oh my gosh.
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
Looks like someone has a very specific bedtime routine.
Wait, are you guys?
Stay. Stay.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
Where did you get that?
Oh no.
Can you say hi to baby? Oh my god. I'm literally crying.